Hi, I'm wait right there. I'll be back in a sec. Much better. Much better. Hi, Josh Keegan here. I just wanted to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Thanks very much for joining me in 2019. I just want to reflect on what 2019 has been like. There's certainly been a fair few drones involved. There has certainly been a lot more space involved. So much space. So thank you very much to all my new subscribers for joining me on this journey. 2020 is going to bring a few more things, including more space, more drones, more technology, and of course, more coffee. So what I've done is I've put together a bit of a montage of what 2019 has been like, so I hope you enjoy. I will be back around about the beginning of February. The month of January is off at the moment because I will be traveling. So if you want to join me at all, you can find me on Twitter or you can find me on Instagram. So have a very Merry Christmas and a very safe New Year, and I shall see you all again next year. It's time to grab a cup of coffee, or at least your favourite beverage, and get settled in as I unpack this massive weekend in States. So I've got my favourite beverage, which is just a lovely long black. We both have a cup of coffee, and it's time to talk space.
This is all the stuff that gets edited out.
Yeah, I know. That's fine. I'm used to this.
Yeah, I know you are. Yeah.
What about the coffee?
Coffee? Yeah, the coffee was a bit, well, let's not talk about the coffee. It was just drip filtered coffee, so yeah, I wasn't very impressed.
Alright, next up the competition for rock. Like, did you hear that?
Peter Beck, I'm coming to get you.
Alright.
Oh, okay. Star Industries.
Star Industries.
Star Industries, big sound.
Sounds a lot like Stark.
It does, that's it.
A little bit of nerd creeping out there.
Very stable then.
This is a hybrid rocket engine, designed to be taken onto school grounds to be fired as part of a demonstration to kids. Sounds nuts, right? I can tell you, it's not. Designed and created by Products for Industry, this hybrid rocket engine can be taken onto school grounds in order to get kids excited about rockets and the science that lies behind them. The best part of this engine is it fits on the back of a trailer and can be towed to any location.